Hey everyone! Over the last few days, I've been seeing a lot of Snapchat users tweeting they're having issues logging into their account. Either they have been locked out or the app is crashing on them. Snapchat has a solution, and in this video, I want to share this with you guys to resolve your Snapchat login issues. Before you begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So, Snapchat support have tweeted suggestions which you can try. The first suggestion is to make sure you have updated your Snapchat application to the latest version. So go into your App Store or your Play Store and make sure your Snapchat application has been updated to version 11.38.2.40 or over. Then, once it's been updated, open it and try to log into your Snapchat account. If after the update it still does not work, then the second suggestion is to open the app and then tap on Forgot Your Password. If you don't get anywhere from here, you can visit this link on your laptop or PC to recover your password. I'll put the link in the description down below so you can click it from there. You can visit the link, and here you can retrieve your password by entering your mobile number or your email address which you registered when you created your account. If you're still having issues, the third suggestion is to contact Snapchat support so they can provide you with further support. The link is support.snapchat.com/I-need-help. Again, I'll put this link in the description down below. Snapchat have a form which you need to fill out to get further assistance from them. Hopefully by following the above steps, you'll be able to get access to your Snapchat account again. And there you go guys, good luck to all. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.